Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming two essentials. Your iPhone 13 has active cellular service and voicemail is provisioned by your carrier. Once that's confirmed, make sure iOS and carrier settings are up to date and cellular data is enabled. Now open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab. This initiates setup. If prompted, create a voicemail passcode. You'll need it to access or change settings. Proceed when you see the Setup Now option so you can record your greeting. Once you tap Setup Now, follow the prompts. Enter a 4 to 6-digit passcode if required, because that secures access to your messages. Next, choose between the default greeting or record a custom greeting. A custom greeting helps callers know they reached you and sounds more professional. When recording, speak clearly and pause briefly before and after, then play back to confirm clarity. If you don't like it, re-record until satisfied, and make sure to press Save so the greeting is applied to incoming callers. You finish by verifying that voicemail works. Call your own number from a different phone and leave a message. Once done, open the voicemail tab to find the message list. Tap a message to play, use more to save or delete, and manage storage so new messages can arrive. If you don't see visual voicemail or messages fail, restart your iPhone, check for iOS and carrier updates, and toggle cellular data. If issues persist, contact your carrier. Sometimes provisioning must.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.